Welcome back to Globetrotter Getaways, where we venture beyond the ordinary to uncover the world's most extraordinary places. I'm Neil, your guide to the globe's hidden wonders and unforgettable experiences. Today, we're embarking on a special journey through the heart of Andalusia to Seville, a city famed for its stunning architecture, vibrant culture, and the sun-soaked streets that echo with the rhythm of flamenco. But what secrets lie beyond the iconic facade of Seville's Alcázar, or the grandeur of its Gothic cathedral? Are there untold stories whispered along the banks of the Guadalquivir River, or in the shade of orange trees and hidden courtyards? Join me as we delve into Seville's hidden corners. We'll discover places that don't make the cover of guidebooks, but capture the essence of this enchanting city. From secluded gardens where time stands still, to lively local taverns that serve up Andalusian flavors known only to the locals. As we wander off the beaten path, we'll uncover the true spirit of Seville, exploring its lesser-known treasures and unique attractions. This is not just a tour, it's a journey into the soul of a city that continues to inspire and captivate those who seek to know its secrets. So grab your walking shoes and let's get lost in the magic of Seville together. This is Globetrotter Getaways, and I'm Neil, inviting you to join me on this unforgettable adventure. If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Our first adventure takes us through the cobblestone alleys of Seville, into the heart of its history. These aren't just streets, they're pathways through time, leading us to the hidden jewels of Seville's storied past. Within the walls of Casa de Pilatos, famous for its stunning blend of Renaissance and Mudéjar architecture, lie rooms whispering tales of ancient aristocracy and hidden corners that most visitors never see. Let's step quietly into these private spaces, where the echoes of the past tell stories of intrigue and opulence. Notice the intricate tile work, each piece a testament to the craftsmen who've left their mark on history. In these lesser-known rooms, every corner holds a secret, every shadow plays with stories untold. Beneath the modern marvel of the Metropole parasol, known locally as Las Setas, lies a hidden layer of Seville's past. Here, ancient Roman ruins rest quietly, discovered during construction and preserved as a window into a world long gone. These ruins tell the story of a bustling Roman community, complete with homes, shops, and streets now silent beneath our feet. It's a humbling reminder of the city's layers of history, each era contributing its own chapter to the Seville we know today. As we emerge from beneath the shadows of history, we're reminded of the seamless blend of past and present that defines Seville. The city doesn't just showcase its history, it lives it, breathes it, and invites us to become a part of it. Walking through these historical hideaways, I'm struck by the tangible sense of history that surrounds us. It's a unique experience, feeling so connected to the past while standing firmly in the present. And it's these moments, these discoveries, that make our journey through Seville unforgettable. Our journey through Seville's hidden historical gems is just beginning. Each stone, each corridor tells a story. And as we explore further, we'll uncover more of these stories, piecing together the mosaic of Seville's rich and vibrant history. From the sun-kissed streets of Seville, our journey now takes us into the heart of its culinary soul. Beyond the main squares, a world of gastronomic treasures awaits, hidden within the city's ancient walls. Our first stop is the Mercado de Triana, a lively market nestled on the banks of the Guadalquivir River. Here, the air is thick with the aroma of fresh herbs and spices. Every stall tells a story. Every flavor takes you deeper into Andalusia's rich culinary heritage. Notice the vibrancy of locally sourced ingredients, a testament to Andalusian agriculture. Here, the secret to exceptional cuisine lies in the simplicity and freshness of its components. Let's savor a bite of history with each taste. Next, we venture into the heart of the Alameda district, where hidden gems of culinary delight await. In these narrow alleys, family-run tapas bars serve dishes passed down through generations, each bite a celebration of Seville's diverse flavors. In one such bar, we discover a dish that encapsulates the spirit of Seville, a perfect blend of Moorish spices and Andalusian zest. Here, food is more than sustenance. It's a shared experience, a way to connect with the heart of the city. As we explore these culinary corners, we're not just tasting food, we're immersing ourselves in the stories and traditions that flavor every dish. Seville's culinary scene is a mosaic of history, culture, and passion, hidden away from the bustling tourist paths. Wandering through Seville's culinary landscape, I'm reminded that to truly understand a place, you must experience it with all your senses. Here, Each meal is a journey through time and culture, a reminder of the simple yet profound joy of sharing food. Our culinary voyage through Seville reveals that the city's heart beats not just in its famous monuments, but in the bustling markets and cozy tapas bars. These are the places where Seville's soul truly shines, inviting us all to pull up a chair and feast. Leaving the culinary world behind, our next chapter unfolds in the vibrant streets of Seville, where art breathes life into the city's ancient facades. Here, in the maze of alleys and squares, lies a canvas of creativity waiting to be discovered. Our journey begins in the Macarena neighborhood, a district transformed into an open-air gallery where every wall tells a story. Here, street artists have turned the city into a living museum, blending Seville's rich history with a modern pulse. Wandering deeper into the heart of Seville, the historic Jewish quarter of Santa Cruz hides secrets not just in its shadows, but in its bright spaces of artistic expression. Here, hidden galleries offer sanctuary to works that range from traditional Andalusian art to avant-garde pieces. In one such gallery, we find a collection that bridges centuries of artistic endeavor. The owner, a Seville native, shares stories of artists who found inspiration in the city's light and shadows, each piece a testament to Seville's enduring muse. As we trace the brushstrokes of Seville's artistic soul, it's clear that the city's allure isn't just in its historic monuments, but in the living tapestry of art that adorns its streets and alleys. Art here is not confined to galleries. It is a part of Seville's heartbeat, pulsing in the open for all to see and experience. Immersing myself in Seville's art, I'm reminded that creativity knows no bounds. Here, art is a language spoken fluently by its residents, a dialogue between the city's storied past and its dynamic present. It's a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places, inviting us to look closer and see beyond. Our exploration of Seville's artistic alleys may come to a close, but the journey through its expressive soul is far from over. In Seville, every corner holds the potential for discovery, urging us to keep our eyes open and our hearts ready to be moved by the art that surrounds us. From the vibrant heart of Seville, our journey now takes a peaceful turn. Beyond the historic facades and bustling plazas lies a verdant world of tranquility and beauty. Let's wander through the lush, hidden gardens and parks that offer a serene escape within the city. Our first oasis is the expansive Maria Luisa Park. While its grand boulevards and ornate fountains are well known, its secluded corners and hidden pathways hold a serene beauty all their own. Here, under the shade of ancient trees, one can find a moment of peace amidst the chirping of birds and the gentle rustle of leaves. Each turn in Maria Luisa Park reveals a new secret, from rare botanical specimens to exquisite Moorish-inspired gazebos. These hidden nooks are perfect for quiet reflection or a peaceful respite, inviting visitors to pause and admire the beauty around them. Next, we venture into the secret gardens of Alcázar, a royal treasure hidden in plain sight. Beyond the popular areas, there are secluded gardens that many visitors overlook, where the whisper of fountains and the scent of blooming flowers transport you to a world away from the city's hustle. These gardens tell a story of centuries, of cultures intertwining to create a paradise on earth. Here, every plant, every pathway has been carefully designed to reflect the harmony between human and nature, between history and the present. As we meander through these natural nooks, we're reminded of the importance of green spaces in our lives. They offer not just beauty, but a sanctuary for the soul, a place where the mind can wander freely amidst nature's bounty. Exploring these hidden gardens and parks, I'm struck by the sense of tranquility they instill. In a city as vibrant and energetic as Seville, these quiet spaces offer a precious pause, a moment to reconnect with nature and ourselves. Our journey through Seville's natural nooks concludes, but the memory of these tranquil retreats lingers. In the heart of a bustling city, we found pockets of peace, reminders of the timeless beauty that nature holds. As dawn breaks over Seville, a city of unparalleled beauty and history awakens to offer not just sights to behold, but unique experiences to be lived. Our journey now takes us beyond mere observation, inviting us to step into the soul of Seville, to engage with its essence through activities that promise memories to last a lifetime. In the secluded courtyards of Seville's historic barrios, the passionate rhythms of flamenco beckon. Here, in private shows held in ancient settings, you're not just a spectator, but a guest invited to feel the heart of Andalusia. Each stomp, each strum, each song tells a story of love, pain, and joy. This is flamenco in its most authentic form, raw and unfiltered, shared in settings as historic as the art form itself. It's an immersive experience where the boundary between performer and audience blurs into a shared celebration of culture. From the fervor of flamenco, we glide into the tranquility of the Guadalquivir River. Kayaking along its serene waters offers a unique perspective of Seville, one that reveals the city's majestic facades and bridges from the gentle embrace of its historic river. As we navigate the gentle currents, the river whispers tales of explorers who once sailed these waters to the New World. Each paddle stroke brings us closer to the spirit of adventure that defines Seville, connecting us with centuries of explorers and adventurers. Our exploration of Seville's unique experiences draws to a close as the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the city. It's in these moments, whether caught in the spellbinding allure of flamenco or the peaceful flow of the Guadalquivir, that Seville reveals its true magic, inviting us to not just see, but to feel, to not just visit, but to connect. Today, Seville has shown us that the essence of travel lies in the experiences that touch our hearts. It's not just about the places we see, but the memories we create and the connections we forge. And in Seville, every moment is an opportunity to create a memory that's as unique and unforgettable as the city itself. As we say goodbye to Seville, we carry with us not just souvenirs, but a tapestry of experiences woven with the vibrant threads of Andalusian culture. These are the stories we'll tell, the moments we'll cherish, and the memories that will beckon us back to Seville, time and time again. As our journey through the heart of Seville comes to a close, we're reminded that the true beauty of travel lies not just in the places we visit, but in the stories we collect, the flavors we savor, and the moments of connection that surprise us along the way. From the historical whispers of ancient ruins to the vibrant tales told over tapas. From the silent stories of art-lined alleys to the peaceful serenity of hidden gardens and the unforgettable experiences that only a city like Seville can offer, we've traversed a path less taken, discovering the soul of this enchanting city. Every corner turned, every hidden gem uncovered brought us closer to understanding the essence of Seville, an essence that's as much about its people and their way of life as it is about its majestic sights. I'm Neil from Globetrotter Getaways, and it's been my absolute pleasure to share this journey with you. If Seville's hidden gems and unique attractions have captured your heart as they have mine, remember, this is just the beginning. The world is full of secrets waiting to be discovered, and together we'll uncover them, one getaway at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures beyond the map. Until next time, keep wondering, and keep discovering the hidden gems that make our world a treasure trove of stories.